34 grams of protein. Good morning. It is a gloomy, dark, gray, and rainy day here in New York City, and I need to do some meal prep. I thought I would walk you through what my general process is, how I keep my meal prep to like an hour to 2 hours max for the entire week, how to make it super simple and easy. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so. I'm posting lots of recipes, workouts, and general tips and education for busy women, and post any questions that you might have in the comments so that I know what videos are actually helpful to you. I have some things that I got at Trader Joe's, which at this point I think I probably will have posted that video already, so make sure to check that out if you want some inspiration on what to get from the store. Need some more veggies and some kind of fresh produce type of stuff, which I usually get from our local supermarket. Let's go. We're on the way to the store. I need to get sweet potatoes. Different flavors make all the difference. So I need sweet potatoes, and I also need something to put the food in when it's in the oven. I called it a mold. I need molds, and Bernard was very confused. So pans for the oven, or whatever you call it, you know, a type of container that is oven safe. We are back home, and I got these two containers, so I'm gonna wash these up. So here are all of our ingredients for our meal prep today. We have a bunch of proteins, so this turkey, seasoned chicken, types that I mentioned from Trader Joe's. So we have the shawarma chicken thighs, savory herb chicken thighs, also from Trader Joe's, lemon rosemary chicken right here, some zucchini, and these potatoes, and sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, some carrots. I think that was it. So I'm gonna wash the containers, I'm gonna wash all the produce, chop it all up, get the oven ready, and then we'll get started. Oh, and also, I also have these. I got these from Trader Joe's as well. But with this kind of thing, since I mostly work from home, I like to make this, you know, last minute. So I'll just pop them in the air fryer for like 5 to 8-ish minutes and then have them right away. But if you are on the go, then you can definitely also prep these in advance in the oven or in the air fryer, and, you know, portion them out in your containers and have them ready to grab and go. Okay, so we're starting by chopping up the zucchini. I realized I had a bunch of them, so I started chopping, and it was a lot of zucchini. So what I did was cut them in half again lengthwise, and then sideways into like little quarter coins. And since I had so much, I also used this chopper that I just recently got. It was my first time using it. Took me a second to figure it out, but it's actually really helpful because I took some of the carrots and the zucchini and chopped it up really into really small pieces, and then used that mixture to add to the turkey. I put the mini potatoes into water, added some salt, and put that on the stove right away. Those are going to be done really quickly, and then add some oil to a big pan, chop up some onions and garlic. I also put the onion into that chopper as well. Especially with onions, I did feel like it helped because I usually have to cry, and this time I got away without too many tears. So yay to that. Put all of that in the chopper. And then with this onion and garlic mixture, I put that in the big pan once the oil was hot, and used that as a base for the turkey. So onions and garlic first, let it caramelize a little bit, and then add the veggies, give them some flavor, and then add the turkey. Now for the regular zucchini and carrot mix, I just put some oil in the pan, added the veggies. I use Green Goddess seasoning, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. You can use whatever seasonings you like. And put the carrots on the side, but you can definitely mix it all up. In the meantime, I'm taking care of the garlic and onion mix.
And we're moving on to the Brussels sprouts. So I like to cut them just in halves or quarters and then add pepper, salt, and garlic powder and just a little bit of olive oil. Cover and in the oven they go.
Let me show you where we're at. Potatoes are boiled. This right here is the turkey, ground turkey that I was making. We have the, what are they called? Zucchini and, God, languages. Carrots. The veggies. We have the veggies. So all of that is done. The shawarma chicken is in the air fryer, almost done. And the lemon chicken is still in the oven. The sweet potatoes are in there, and the Brussels sprouts, which, by the way, I am gonna uncover now. I like to keep them covered at first to, get them to soften up. But then once they are actually soft, I like to uncover them so it adds a little bit of crispiness as well. The sweet potatoes, I do the same thing. I have them covered first and then uncover for a little bit of extra crunch. I was gonna try and make this herb chicken just in the pan. It's very soft, and seeing what the shawarma chicken looks like in the air fryer, I think I'll just add the herb chicken to the air fryer to also give it a little bit of that, crispiness to it. And I will make another video where I show you everything I eat in a day, because I'll use all of the meals that I made today, mix and match. I'll make different variations out of them. I'll show you once it's all done. You can just put it in containers, get it all ready to grab and go, or your job, your kids, whatever it may be, you just need to have it ready to just microwave and eat. You can do that. I would have done that in the past, but now that I'm mostly home, I like to mix and match in different combinations. I might make a wrap or a salad or something out of these different meals.
Okay, so full transparency, I did not think ahead far enough, and I put the lemon chicken, in too late. So everything is done, but the lemon chicken needs more time in the oven. So definitely make sure to put that in at the beginning. That way all of this will take you anywhere between an hour and a half and 2 hours. It took me 2 hours. All of these recipes are mostly things that I hadn't done yet, like the chicken variations from Trader Joe's I'd never done before. Obviously this lemon chicken I had never done, otherwise it would have been in there right away. I'm hungry. I'll probably have some of the shawarma chicken thighs, have some of the Brussels sprouts, some of the carrots. I don't know what's going on with me today. I can't speak. I'll have that right now, but I'll show you the chicken when it's done. I can't wait anymore. I'm too hungry. Sorry. So here is my plate. I got some of the shawarma chicken, the whatever it was called, lemon herb or something herb chicken, the Brussels sprouts, some sweet potatoes, some regular potato, and then the carrots and the zucchini. So a full plate, this is about, let me check, I think it was 47 grams of carbs roughly. Yep, so 47 grams of carbs, 34 grams of protein, 12 grams of fat. So very, very balanced. Lots of micronutrients as well, very, very colorful plates. Make sure that you get different kinds of micronutrients to give you energy, make sure you're healthy, you get everything you need, help your digestion, lots of fiber too. So here we go. The lemon chicken is still in the oven, so I will show you that after, but right now I need to eat. The shawarma chicken is so good. Wow. Okay, definitely worth it. Wow, that's really good. Okay. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna repeating the chicken variations. These are so good. See, that's the thing. I'm not bad at seasoning food, but there's just, I don't know what it is with the combinations of spices that they put in there, and probably because it marinated for a long time too. It's just so good, full of flavor. Nice. Very nice. Alright, the lemon chicken is finally done sizzling out the oven. So that is the end of our meal prep video. Today I have a lot more coming. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. I always want to know what videos, topics, recipes, questions you actually want to see so that I can truly help you with everything that you need. If you haven't yet, make sure to hit subscribe. I have workouts coming, lots of helpful, educational, really simple fitness tips for busy women in our 30s and beyond. And if you haven't yet, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.